Hi guys, welcome to our 4-day school week. Today is Tuesday. Okay, so we'll just have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday this week. Tuesday, you have your reading and word study activity, your writing activity, which is to draft your topic. Then Wednesday, reading and word study again. Writing, you continue to work on your writing. Thursday is going to be your assessment day. So, and it's highlighted in yellow so that you know that this will be graded. Your reading, what did I click? So your reading assessment, word study assessment is on Thursday. Your writing, you're continuing to work on that. And then Friday, just finalize your writing and turn in the document. Okay? Alright, so I'm just going to scroll down. So Tuesday, you have to read the story. That's today. It's a little bit longer than you usually have, but you guys can handle it. It's just one question for today. How have Rose's habits affected her relationship with her brother Joey? Use evidence from the passage to support your answer. Then your word study activity is to highlight the syllables in each word or put a dash between the words. So you can highlight by selecting the syllable. Then you go over here to where it says highlight color. You can choose one of the colors. I'm going to choose yellow for the first syllable, then I'm going to highlight or select the second part of the syllable and choose another color, like this. Now I can see that I highlighted two syllables, hollow, okay? And if you don't want to highlight, if it's easier for you, you can just put a dash between the syllables. And I'm going to do that right now like this, okay? That way you can see the syllables, hol and low, hollow, okay? Right. Then for Wednesday, you'll have a reading activity. It's a question about the passage. According to Rose, how did she and Susanna become great friends? For Wednesday, you'll also have a word study activity. You guys have been doing a great job with these acrostic poems, okay? Choose 3 of these words and write an acrostic poem and write an acrostic poem for each word in this box. Thursday, okay, Thursday it's highlighted in yellow. What does that mean? It is an assessment, okay? It will be graded. So this is the same reading from earlier in the week. Reread it, and then you will answer these 5 multiple choice questions. Last week I gave 10 multiple choice questions. This week I'm just going to give you 5, okay? Another assessment on Thursday is your word study assessment. Okay, what you have to do is write 1 sentence for each word. Okay, using these words, okay? And then, skipping all the way to the bottom of the document is where you have your writing piece. On Tuesday, think about a time you helped a friend. How did you help them? How did it make you feel? Okay, Wednesday, you're going to revise to add details and stretch your sentences. Thursday, you're going to edit for subject-predicate agreement, punctuation, capitalization, spelling. Friday, finalize your work to turn in. Okay, here's your stretch a sentence anchor chart. You guys are doing a great job stretching your sentences out. Okay, look at how short this sentence is, and by the time you add all these details, your sentence is much more meaningful. It's much more informational to the reader so that they understand what's really going on. And I'm also going to leave this conjunctions anchor charts for you here to review, okay? And then the writer's checklist is here as well, okay? And you can start writing your writing piece in this box, okay? All right, so that's it for this short week, 4-day week. If y'all have any questions or anything like that, let me know. I'm here. Okay, take care and have a great week, guys. Bye.